Want to narrate your reel or fix your audio mistakes? Here's how to easily add a voiceover to your Instagram reel. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if this helps. First, open Instagram and swipe right to access the camera. At the bottom, tap on reel and either record a new video or upload one from your gallery. Once your video is ready, tap next on the bottom right. Now tap the music icon at the top of the screen. Drag the camera audio slider all the way down to mute the original sound. Then tap on voiceover at the bottom. Press and hold the record button to narrate your reel. Say what you need to say, then hit done. You can even edit or delete your voiceover and try again if you're not happy with the first take. It's that easy to add clear custom audio to your reels. Drop your questions in the comments and follow for more Instagram tips.